Good morning, everybody. It is Monday the 15th, and it's a holiday in Canada. So I'm out for a little walk. Holiday Monday, yeah. But it's still cold. It's like minus 30 still. And there's a little bit of wind. There's the sun. You see the sun? And it's all, see how nice it looks? I think it looks nice, yeah. And there's my shadow down there. You see my shadow? And I hear a train. I hear a train coming. Yeah, a train, I hear it. I don't know if I'll make it to it. And there's the river. You see the frozen river? Yeah, it's pretty frozen still. Yeah, it's pretty chilly here still. Yeah. But I had to come out for a walk. I don't work today, so nice day to go for a walk. And there's the river. See, it finally froze. That was all open. Yeah, it was all open like a couple of weeks ago, I think. Yeah. Yeah, it all opened up. Yeah. Or it all froze over. Not opened up. Yeah, and it's windy now. It wasn't windy when I started walking. Yeah. Yeah. It's still cold, but I have to get out. Oh, here, I'll switch. There's the train. You see the train? It's leaving right in front of me. Yeah, I didn't make it there, no. There goes the train. Yeah. Oh, it's a short train, yeah. It's not very long, no. No, and there it goes. There's the flag. Oh, I lost the train. Oh, there's the train right there. I can still show you the train. Yeah. It'll be going over the bridge. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, there's the train. There it goes. Yeah. Yeah, it's still leaving. Yeah. It's going, yeah. Still going over the train bridge, yeah. Yeah. There it goes, yeah. There it left, yeah. There's, oh, wait. And there's me again, yeah. Did you see the train? Yeah, it's leaving. Yeah, it's going somewhere. Yeah, look how beautiful the sun has been. Yeah, how red my face is. From the little bit of wind. Yeah, it is cold. Yeah, I thought it wasn't this cold, no. Yeah. Oh, there goes the train, do you hear it? And I hear another train. I don't know if I could see it when I keep walking, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I'm just gonna keep walking. Yeah. Yeah, there's nobody walking today. No. Oh, there, is that better? Yeah. There, I'll give you another view there. Panoramic view, see? And there's the sun. Yeah, it went right around, yeah. Yeah, just to show you how nobody walks and there's nobody around. And, yeah. There's a nice sun. Of course, there's the trail I'm going that way. That's the way it came from. That way, yeah. Yeah, so I'll keep going. Yeah. Keep walking, yeah. There. Yeah, I didn't realize how cold it is, yeah. And windy, it's windy today, yeah. A little bit windy. Yeah. I can hear birds. Yeah. Listen. You hear those birds? Yeah, there's still birds around. It's so cold out in the winter. Winter birds, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, there's. Yeah. Well, I can hear him. He must be down here. Down here in these, next to the river. Yeah. I don't know. I don't see him. Why? Yeah, I see a bird now. Yeah, I see a little bird there. Yeah. Oh, I'll keep walking. Yeah, I seen him and then I didn't see him again. No. Yeah. Maybe they're just waking up, the winter birds. Yeah. Little winter birds. They stay here all year. Yeah. I'm walking over this little bridge. Yeah. I'll show you. I'll switch it again and show you the front where I'm going. Yeah, that's the way I'm going down this path. Yeah. Wait, I'll start walking. Just give me a second. Put my mitt back on. Okay, there we go. See, that's the way I'm going down the trail here. Yeah, and then there's the view. Yeah. There's nobody around still. That's the path I just came. And there's that little bridge I just crossed. See? And I'll keep walking. I'll switch it back first. And there's me again. Yeah. I'll just keep walking. Yeah, it keeps you healthy. Even when it's cold, if you could still go outside and walk, you know. Dress warm. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice to get out. Yeah, I'm there. I'm just about up to the train bridge and underneath the bridge. And there's the flag, there's the bridge, train bridge, and the bridge is on the other side. And I can hear another train coming. Uh-oh. I wonder if I'll make it to the bridge. We could take a picture of that. Yeah, I can hear it really blowing the train. Wonder if it's gonna come over the bridge then. I don't know. I heard the train, but sometimes they just go back and forth. Yeah. Well, we've seen that one train go. Yeah. See how beautiful it is? Nobody around. Peaceful. Hear little birds. Hear cars. Hear trains. There's the flag. See, there's the flag in my town. Yeah. And there I am. And there's the beautiful sun again. There's the sun. Yeah. Yeah. Well, keep walking. Yeah, just keep walking. Oh, my phone slipped. Yeah, there. Yeah, that's nice views when I spin around to show the whole where I walk. Oh, this is a path beside the river there. The river's here, yeah. But they keep it, you can walk on it now. Yeah, during the winter you couldn't walk on it sometimes. There's so snow and wind and all that covered the path up. Yeah. So you couldn't walk on it at all. And there's the train bridge. Yeah. I'm gonna go underneath it. Yeah. There I go. There I'm walking right underneath the train bridge. There's the pillar. There's the bridge. There's all the graffiti. You see all the graffiti. There's the regular bridge. And then down there, there's the train bridge. Goes all the way across. Yeah. People going out of town and all that. Yeah. And now I'm heading for just the regular bridge. Yeah. Yeah. And there's the regular bridge. I'm gonna go underneath it pretty soon. It goes all the way across the river there to the road, to the highway. Yeah. And then here I go under the bridge. Lots of graffiti too. There, lots of graffiti. And the bridge goes all the way down. The train bridge and the regular bridge. You can hear the people going, I think. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm going to the other side. There. There's the bridge. Yeah. And graffiti and all that. And the other side of the bridge, see, goes all the way down. Then there's the church and a hospital, and then there's the Canadian flag. Yeah. Oh, that's a nice shot. Yeah. Hey. Me underneath the giant Canadian flag. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I think I'll end it there. Yeah. I'll continue walking. There's me and the flag. Yeah, it's a holiday here in Canada, Monday. And whoever watches my video, thank you for watching. And have a great Monday. All right, bye.